Okay, everybody, so here we are outside. Took a measurement. 18-inch ruler right here. And we're going to try and get an accurate reading. And I would say the best spot, actually, where the street is. I'm officially in the street. There you have it, people. The city of Lynn. Almost 14 inches. Pretty much. Hardest part of it. From 10 p.m. it started getting really, really bad. Yeah, you can't even get to the middle of my street. There's just like too much snow everywhere. The meters, they're almost filled up to the top. I'm standing next to the meter and my feet aren't even hitting the sidewalk. That's my building. I had to come out tonight for one more video for my baby brother down in Florida and for my sister-in-law Jen. Wish you guys were here to enjoy the snow with us, but I'm sure you'd much rather be there than to be here. It's just whipping so hard right now, it's crazy. Go. Making his way. Anyway, I'm gonna head back inside. It's getting really bad out here. So, take care, everybody, and enjoy the wonderful blizzard of 2013. Doesn't get any better than this.